What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm not doing any review or anything today. I just got a new drone. I actually got the DJI Mini 3 drone with the gimbal camera. It's got the 4K horizontal or vertical camera. I just got it a couple days ago, and I've taken some videos of it up in the air around my neighborhood just a little bit. So we're gonna show those off today. But yeah, I got the Mini 3, and I bought some little landing gear for it on the bottom there. It just helps it stay up a little bit more when you're landing it. And I got the Fly More package, so you got 3 batteries, and it's got the charging case that you plug in, and it charges each one. And then the remote, obviously, it's got the screen. And I put this little lanyard on here so I could carry it while I'm flying it. Makes it a little more safe and secure. So that's pretty cool. And then the bag that comes with it is just like a camera bag. Pretty simple, so let's go fly it.
Take off.